I want to talk to you about how you're going to change your life today. I'm going to tell you how I changed my life because I was forced to change my life by getting adult onset type 1 diabetes. And I want to share with you the tools that I used to lose over 30 pounds in the first 2 months of my ketogenic diet experience. And I'm going to give you other tools and resources so that you can lose weight and eat the food that your body needs to run properly, and also the mental and emotional tools that I needed and I believe that everybody in this world needs to be happy and successful people. So the first thing I'm going to tell you to do is to go to your library or to go to Amazon or to your local bookstore and to buy this book, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. And if you can, read it all consistently every night or for a few hours every day, but make it a part of your daily routine to read this book from one cover to the next, because this has the tools that we all need to live in this world with one another and to have the relationships that we need to be happy and successful people. The Power of Now, it's pretty self-explanatory. Eckhart Tolle teaches us how living in this moment only is the most important tool that we need to see the wealth of happiness that is in front of us. And choosing to live right now is the best choice you're going to make for yourself and for the people who are in your life. So The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. And for my very first video, I don't want to go too deep into this because there's a lot we can talk about with The Power of Now, but I just want to say that this book gives you step-by-step instructions to live in the present. He teaches you how to quiet the thoughts of the past and to quiet the anxiety of the future. And so this book, reading this book, will teach you that. And then I also want to talk to you about my experience with coming into ketosis. And I want to talk to you about the importance of running our bodies on fat versus running our bodies on carbohydrates. We were taught at a very young age that we need carbs as fuel. We burn our carbs for energy, right? Okay, so after you play the soccer match in 3rd grade, what do? You go and have a granola bar or peanut butter and jelly sandwich or something. You know that we need those carbs, but in reality, our bodies need to run on fat, and our bodies need to run on healthy fat, and our bodies need to run on animal fats. Now you're saying, whoa, I've never heard that before. That's crazy. Fat's bad. You're supposed to eat fat-free, right? Well, no. Your body will run cleanly and at a higher energy level if you're eating a lot of healthy fat. And I personally lost 30 pounds in the first 2 months of changing my fuel from carbohydrates to fat. And you're saying, well, how do you eat enough fat to fuel your body? Well, it's simple. There's coconut oil, there's olive oil, there's butter, there's ghee, there's sunflower oil, and I can go on and on and on. There's bacon, there's full fat ground beef, there's pork, there's the fat from the bacon that you can use. And I know what you're thinking is, oh my goodness, that's so expensive, all of these materials that you're talking about. How can I afford this? But if you can read The Power of Now and come into the present, and if you can work with me or work with another blogger or another website to create a full fat, zero carb meal plan, you'll be running at a higher energy level and your skin will be clearer and you're going to be burning fat, okay? You're not burning carbs anymore. You're not eating it and burning it. You're taking the resources that your body already has, your fat, and you're turning it into energy. And your body wants this. It's not hard to get your body into ketosis. Your body wants to burn your fat. And the number one problem people make when they try the ketogenic diet is they try and eat very, very little. You need to eat a lot of food, and you need to eat a lot of fat. You can eat yummy, delicious raspberry muffins, and they can have high fat and very, very little carbohydrates. Now, this is my first podcast, and I'm really excited about it. And if you're excited about it too, and if you want my recipes and you want to know more about what I do on a day-to-day basis to keep my fat intake high and my carb intake next to nothing, and if you want to know more about my experience with the power of now and living in this present moment, I would love to share more with you, and I want your feedback. I want to know that you're watching, and if I get views and if I get your comments, I can keep making these videos. And I would love to hear from you, so please respond.